So you have added this text in your photo in the Pixlr app, and you really want to make it more colorful, or you want to change the color totally, then you have come to a right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text color in Pixlr. It's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the app itself, and let's go to the photos over here. Suppose I want to put text in this photo over here. And so let's write something, okay, sky. So let's hit next. And here you can see different option. There's an option of this kind of like water drop or like color. Let's tap on that. And here you can choose the color. You can make it black or like different. Suppose you can also adjust this like little slider at the bottom. This can change all the colors. So you want more like, this is blue right now, you want more like pink, red, then you can slide this little circle over here. So I'd say I'm gonna make it more like this color, so just tap in there, and there you go. This is how you add color to your text. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.